In this tutorial, I am going to be talking to you about this question: how do I start social media marketing at home? This video includes easy to follow steps and essential methods which can help you start a social media agency or a social media business. So if you're interested in learning some social media marketing strategies to create a profitable social media business, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content and I'll then create more content for you. Thank you, let's go. First, let's talk about a few of the tools and skills you might need to work in social media marketing. So, if you're a natural born communicator, you already have the most important skill. However, here are a few tools and skills you might need for the job. A solid understanding of social media platforms and how they work. The ability to manage multiple clients at once. A passion for helping people and building relationships. The ability to keep up with the latest trends and best practices in social media. The capacity to work with a team but also independently. A portfolio of successful campaigns that you can show off to potential clients or a list of testimonials. Social media is here to stay and will only continue to grow in significance. Because people carry phones with them everywhere they go, social networks are the most effective way for a business or organisation to reach its audience on a daily basis, and that's not changing anytime soon. I will now give you some steps and methods to help you start a social media marketing business. Here we go. Step number 1. Define your niche market. The first step in starting your own social media marketing agency or business is to define your niche market. This will help you decide what types of clients you want to work with while also ensuring that they're a good fit for you and your skill sets. Whether you work exclusively with coffee shops or tech startups specializing in digital products and services, narrowing down your niche will help build up a strong reputation within the industry. Niche marketing is a highly targeted form of advertisement. With niche marketing, businesses promote their products and services to a small, specific and well-defined audience. Many organizations adopt this strategy to support an underserved population and reap the rewards of brand loyalty. To engage in niche marketing, companies must first understand their niche. Markets with the niche definition are subsets of large markets with their own unique preferences and needs. For instance, the makeup sector is broad, but within that market there's also makeup for problem skin, makeup for professional artists, and so on. Consumers in a niche market have specific preferences or needs that differ from the broader sector. Brands divide almost every market into subsections according to things like geographic location, psychographic data, which is their interests, attitudes and values, demographics such as their age, income level, gender and education level, quality level such as premium, moderate, high or low, and the price, high, discount or wholesale. Niche marketing is often easier than promoting to a wide audience. Niche audiences have very specific needs and wants. For instance, a company that simply sold handbags would need to appeal to a broad range of tastes and expectations. However, a business selling handbags for new mums that also work as diaper bags have far more focus. Niche marketing has also become easier with tools like Facebook ad targeting and social media monitoring. Niche marketing allows companies to understand the specific needs of their audience and speak to them directly. Since niche marketing is all about making the right connections, many social media channels have improved their targeting options specifically for niche markets. With niche marketing and a social strategy, companies can develop greater brand loyalty. Fewer people in a niche audience mean more chances to develop intimate, valuable relationships with clients. Many niche customers will become repeat buyers. Compete against fewer brands. The more specialized your business is, the fewer competitors there will be doing the same thing as you. A niche is part of your USP and a way to differentiate yourself in the marketplace. Better marketing spend. With tools for social media management and refined targeting options, you'll learn about your audience quickly. This means it's easier to ensure you're using your budget in the right places. Niche marketing allows companies to carve an essential space for themselves in a broader market. Some businesses even create new niches by discovering and fulfilling customer needs that haven't been addressed. To engage in niche marketing, organizations need thorough research. Marketing to a hyper-focused audience means conducting enough research to determine whether your business is feasible. Narrow markets must be broad enough to generate profit. The next is industry industry knowledge. Organizations marketing to niche consumers need to understand both the characteristics of their niche and the industry as a whole. Attending events helps with this, as does advanced social media management and marketing techniques. Another is versatility. Brands with a niche marketing strategy must find the best method of promoting to suit their customers. Some customers may respond better to email marketing, while others engage most with a combination of Instagram marketing and video. If at any point you're looking for support and training in digital marketing, then I recommend you check out the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. Just click the link in the description box below this video. Step number 2. Plan and structure your business. Planning ahead will allow you to make better decisions when it comes time to structure your company and determine how much money should go into each aspect of the business, such as advertising and tools. Planning ahead will allow you to make better decisions. This will also help with project management later on down the line, as well as keeping track of finances during tax season. A social media strategy is an outline of the content that your business will post, the responsibilities of your social media team, and the social media channels you will use to promote your business. A social media strategy includes social media goals that complement your business' overall digital marketing strategy. Your social media strategy is your master plan for how you create, post, and engage with your social media content. It encompasses your social content guidelines, posting cadence, social media marketing campaigns, creative plans, and engagement strategy that promote your business and brand. Many companies use social media to connect with their customers, provide support, advertise new products and features, and promote special offers. Social media strategies differ depending on the brand's voice and positioning, target audience demographics, and social media platform limitations. When you develop your business social media strategy, considering these factors will help your message reach the right audiences in the right format. Why you need a social media strategy. The top 3 challenges that social media marketers face include reaching their audience, measuring ROI, and reaching business goals. Crafting a social media strategy can help you tackle these challenges and more. Social media strategies also equip you to set goals and guardrails, track performance, and tweak your benchmarks over time. Without a starting point, you can't measure what's working and how to shift your activity to hit your goals. Define your target audience. If you haven't already identified and documented your buyer personas, start by defining the key demographics of the audience you're trying to reach, such as age, gender, occupation, income, hobbies, and interests, for example. Defining your target audience helps you create focused advertising that addresses your ideal consumer's specific needs. Consider your ideal consumer's challenges and what problems they're solving daily. Focus on no more than 4 types of people that represent the majority of your buyers. Don't get hung up on the expectations of outliners, or you'll never get started. Start blogging. Fresh content is the linchpin of a successful social strategy, so commit to consistently creating new quality content. Compile a list of common questions from prospects and commit to addressing these questions with at least 1 new blog post per week. Combining your blogging and social media strategies can help your content reach a larger audience. For example, you can create a social media post that includes a tip for your followers and a link to a blog post that expands upon the post. The social media post will drive traffic to your blog, making it easy for readers to share the blog post with their followers and expand the blog's reach. Create educational content. Create downloadable content like ebooks, checklists, videos, and infographics that address your buyers' pains. If your content is beneficial, people will likely share it on social media and extend your reach. Focus on a few key social channels. Most startups and small businesses don't have the bandwidth to establish and sustain a quality social media presence on every single channel. It's also overwhelming to learn the rules of engagement on multiple networks simultaneously. Start small. Research key networks to learn where your target audience is spending time. For instance, if your ideal consumers are business professionals, it may be beneficial to post on LinkedIn rather than Instagram. Focus your efforts on building, nurturing, and sustaining a community on the social channels where your target audience spends most of their time before moving on to another channel. Develop a recipe card to guide you. Social media isn't an exact science. It doesn't work the same way for every business or industry. To see results for your business, create a recipe card. A recipe card is a posting and engagement schedule that keeps your team on track and helps you post content consistently. Develop a reasonable recipe card, one you can stick to and get your team to follow. Set goals for your posting and engagement frequency and hold yourself accountable for following your recipe. Step number 3. Select the services you can offer. Social media marketing agencies market themselves in various ways. Some focus on content creation while others specialize in ad creation or even influencer marketing. When you're just starting out, it's best not to try and do everything at once. Instead, focus on offering 1 or 2 core services that are easy for you to provide and can help your clients get started right away. Social media platform management. One of the most common ways to get started offering social media services is by managing specific social media platforms for both individuals and businesses. Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and LinkedIn are some of the most popular platforms, but you can also offer to manage YouTube, TikTok and Snapchat accounts for your clients as well. Regardless of which platforms you choose to manage, it's imperative that you become and remain an expert on those particular channels. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing continues to rise in popularity and brands everywhere are taking notice. By cultivating strategic relationships and partnering with individuals who have a strong social media presence, businesses can quickly build brand awareness and increase sales. But these businesses need help finding those partners and managing those relationships, and that's where you come in. Content creation, photo, video and graphics. If your clients come to you empty-handed, you won't be able to do your job successfully. Photos, videos, quotes, GIFs and memes are all necessary pieces of the social media marketing puzzle. You can either choose to outsource content creation by working with photographers, videographers and graphic designers, or consider creating these types of content for your clients yourself. Content marketing. Speaking of content, is the written word your love language? We share your passion and are happy to report that writing copy for brands is a highly sought after skill you can offer as a social media manager. While different social media platforms require different forms of copy, for example Twitter is short form while Facebook and Instagram allow for longer captions, social media managers who are skilled writers can also produce blog articles for clients to boost their SEO, adding content marketing as a service to their offer menu. Community management. Community management can be as simple as managing a client's Facebook group, or it may become a daily customer service scenario where you're handling all sorts of requests and inquiries from the brand's customers. You'll practice social listening as well as engage with your client's community on their behalf, and this role usually involves replying to comments and DMs, seeking out and actively engaging with targeted accounts and helping to boost brand awareness. Step number 4. Determine pricing and packages. It's essential to price your services competitively. If you're offering a unique and high quality service, consider charging more for it. Remember to keep your packages simple and easy to understand. However, if you're competing with other professionals who provide similar services, lowering your rates may be necessary to gain your first clients. Remember to keep your packages simple and easy to understand. You don't want to overwhelm your clients with too many options. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which one step or method from this video you are going to use first. I would be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.